Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna see how to delete your Venmo accounts. Alright, so for those of you that have a Venmo account and you want to get rid of it, this video is for you. So first step, you can do so by using the Venmo app. Alright, first thing you want to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon to access the menu, and then tap settings. Of course, scroll down and tap accounts, and then tap close accounts, and confirm that you want to close the account by tapping close account again. And once that is done, boom, the account is gone. All right, now the second option is using the Venmo website. All right, for that, what you want to do is to log into your Venmo accounts on the Venmo website. Click your profile picture or your username in the top right corner, and then you click settings from the drop down menu. Scroll to the account section, click close accounts. Now you have to confirm that you want to close that account by clicking close account again, and once you do that, boom, the account is gone. Now there are some important things to take note of when you are closing your account. So the first thing is to make sure to transfer any remaining balance to your bank account before closing your Venmo account, because if you do that, well, let's just say your money is gone. You're never going to see it again. So also you need to cancel any recurring payments or subscription associated with your Venmo account. So let's say you have any payments that you're making and you've set to be reoccurring. So before you close your account, the first thing you want to do is to go there and stop that. You have to disable that recurring payments, cancel that. And the third thing is to beware that closing your account is permanent. All right, you're never going to be able to recover that account, your history, your account information on that account. Once you close the account, it's all gone. So you got to be careful. The fourth thing is Venmo may request additional information to verify your identity before closing your account. Obviously it could be someone else that got access to your account and is trying to play some mischief there. So Venmo will require you to provide some added information to verify that it's you before you be allowed to close the account. So that's for safety reasons. All right, so if you have any other issues, you can or concerns during the account closure process, you can contact Venmo for support or assistance, and they will guide you through the rest of the steps. All right, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget to like, share the video, comment, let me know what you thought about it, and of course subscribe to the channels for more videos. And don't forget to turn on that notification, because if you want to see more videos and you want to get notified each time we upload one, make sure you click that notification bell. All right, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.